What's going on, guys? We're here at Murry Powersports and Adventure in Vinyl. We got the RS1 behind us here. We're back. They're getting ready to print everything off and stuff here later. I don't think I'll be around for the actual printing and stuff and the install on this one, but we got some other video for the rest of it, for other ones that they've been doing. We already know the RS1. So they also got this pretty cool little 1000S here that they did some seats in there, super ATV door skins on it and stuff that they've been working on. We got some rock sliders we did that will be going on this also, so we'll be back probably in a couple days dropping those off. They just finished up this Turbo S here with a wrap on it, and they're doing some install on some seats and everything. Still in the middle of a lot of the installs, but here you can check it out. It is for Anthony Lionheart Smith, the UFC fighter, so that's pretty cool. Ginger Murray is working on the RS1 wrap for Andrew Shipman. Once the design is finalized, it'll go off to print. Alright guys, that was a quick walk around of Adventure Vinyl, Murry Powersports, and checking out some of the machines. Don't forget to like this video down below, it helps us out. Subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace! Get in the way.